Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I'm gonna show that how to hide friend list on your Facebook profile. For these settings you have to open Facebook official app. At first you have to update your Facebook app on Play Store. For updating your Facebook app you have to search Facebook and you can see here update option, update it. Then open it. Then click the three dot icon here. Then scroll down and click to settings and privacy option. Then click to settings. Then scroll down again. And here you can see how people find and contact you. Click here. And here you can see who can see your friend list. Click here. Then if you turn it to public, anyone on our Facebook can see your friend list. If you select friends, only your friends can see your friend list. If you select friends expect, you can hide any person on your friend list. If you select only me, only you can see your friend list. Remember, your friends control who can see their friendships on their own timelines. If people can see your friendship on another timeline, they will able to see it in newsfeed, search and other their places on Facebook. If you set this to only me, only you will be able to see your full friend list on your timeline. Other people will see only mutual friends. That was the video topic. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for getting new notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye my dear friends.